Scorpio.
Hey, what's up mga Kamethyst? Let's do a card reading para sa aking mga Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising ngayong October 2025. It can resonate with you anytime you pumapanood. Okay? Take what's going to resonate and leave the rest. Let's talk about your partnership, collaboration. Or if you are husband or wife, or you're in a love relationship, clarity between the two of you is the story of this bond. Clarity about the plan of moving somewhere, changing place, or traveling. Kino-confuse nyo pa yung inyong mga sarili. Palino na naman sa usapang ito na alam nyo na kung gagawin. It's just because there's some people who are distracting you or there's information na gumugulo sa isip nyo. You know, but whatever makes you happy, whatever makes you excited, it will come out very beautiful. Magiging maganda ang resulta nito, especially if this plan or effort will be greatly supported by friends or family members or tinuturing na kapamilya. You will be surprised sa event, sa mga invites na matatanggap ninyo or mga event na pupuntahan ninyo. Do not be too afraid of anything. Just enjoy and go with the flow. Why? Because you Scorpios are going to start a very different timeline, a different chapter of your life. Different sa normal na ginagawa mo. But it will show your intelligence, your smart. You being a smart person, or street smart person, a well-educated person, or a very wise person. There's a very professional lady who will be very important or significant sa buhay ninyo or buhay mo. A professor, someone who's having status, someone who's very influential, who can influence you in a good way. And you will be very, very happy sa majority ng panahon ng October, last one, especially for your parents, loved ones, na older than you, okay? You will actually show maturity this time, okay? You will be inspired by old people, so the message of this oracle means fertility. Some of you will start to get pregnant. Some of you will start to take care of something like a farm, a place to live, a certain situation that makes you feel like a nourishing mother. Kasi ayaw mo na ng boring. You will go and do things na gusto gawin mo. Hindi nakaka-bored, masaya, uplifting spirit. You will avoid toxic people. You will actually encounter toxic people. They will try to provoke you. But you've healed yourself enough na hindi ka na provoke. And some of you will show your inner child. It can heal or it can trigger you. But becoming very silent, having solitude, having your own meditation moment, prayer moment will make you better and stronger. Okay? Your message from the tarot means the world. You will be able to complete a project. You will be able to complete a cycle of event that's beautiful. And you will no longer have financial issues this time. You will be able to pay some debt or bills, things like that. And a message from my father's statements. Your relative's daughter, who is very young, will be part of that significant moment. You will have loyalty from them because they're your soulmate, or if you are having your soulmate right now or partner. Soulmate partner means relationship na personal, pag-ibig, or transaction. Last one. You will have growth when it comes to finances. You will be able to visit places. This will start a new life that will make you proud. Very proud.